Japandi emphasizes on simplicity. It often inhabits wood tones with beige and white to create a warm and cozy impression on the interior. Hi, this is Natasha. So they actually found us through a referral. They already had rough ideas for their 4-room BTO before engaging us. What we did was to build on their visualizations and incorporate their lifestyles and habits into their home. The biggest change in the layout was a removal of one common bedroom to provide a bigger communal space for the family to spend time and host gatherings. We built the low cabinet by the window as a storage option for the owners to keep items they will frequently access, with an additional space to place decoration to add on to the overall charm of the house. Stepping into the house, most visitors will be likely attracted to the kitchen sliding doors and the space beyond them. Along with the wood tones of the carpentry, these doors give us a strong Zen vibe which builds up the character of the interior style. The dry pantry consists of an island bar table with its countertop from 𝐈𝐧𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐢. Its marble pattern complements the overall pantry look while not being too overwhelming. In contrast to the woody tones of the dry pantry, the kitchen uses neutral tones like white and grey. This palette creates a calm and bright environment perfect for cooking. Especially the use of hardware like space towel and pull-out condiment racks, organizing and sourcing ingredients becomes trouble-free. The washing machine and dryer are installed side by side, such as the space above is free for storage. This piece of carpentry is also carefully customized to reserve a spot for the laundry basket, and not to mention how convenient it is to have a basin right opposite for hand washing. There were modifications made to the designs of both bedrooms since the owners and their son have their own preferences. We painted a green accent wall in their son's bedroom, pairing off with laminates in darker wood tones. On the other hand, the master bedroom's design has an airy and elegant touch with the use of soft and light shades. One common trait both parties have is the need for ample storage space. Thus, the wardrobes and bed platforms are actually tailored to maximize the storage functions with compartments catering for different items and purposes. Vanity is incorporated into the wardrobe with multiple power points so that the hairdryer has an easy access and usage. The language of contrast continues to speak throughout the choices of materials and textures in the bathroom. Upon entering the master bathroom, one can easily tell the separation of wet and dry area by the difference in their color tones. The large format floor tiles helps to enlarge the space visually, while the wall tiles laid vertically, forming an elongated impression. In result, the bathroom will seem bigger than it is. Lighting plays a critical role in Japandi-themed homes, emphasizing the creation of a soft, warm glow that highlights the natural materials within the space. We chose paper lanterns for the dining area as the main focal point, which helps to cultivate a peaceful and serene ambience. The whole renovation took 3 months. It was a fast-free process, especially with the help of our in-house Reno team and my project manager, Andy. Our intercommunication was a key to such an efficient process. They have spent extra effort to ensure that each stage of procedure is nicely completed so that there is no rework to be done in the future.